For today's sensation,
the Griddle Pro inspiration, today we're making the Chef Nate Lippy's bacon wrapped meatloaf.
Ma, the meatloaf! I never know what she's doing back there. She's always doing something back there.
Word on the street is they're making meatloaf.
And if they're making meatloaf, Greg is 100% going to do that stupid movie quote.
For sure.
Ma, we want it!
There it is.
Ding, 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 ding.
All right, now we could use store-bought barbecue sauce, but that'd be really boring, and considering we are trying to pay homage to the Chef Nate Lippy, we want to make our own barbecue sauce. How's that sound?
That sounds great, let's do it.
All right, so we have this on a medium heat. So first, we're gonna start with our ketchup.
You having some trouble?
Yeah, that lasts a little bit sometimes. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, and we are going to take a ½ cup of soy sauce, and we're going to start to mix that together.
That is the world's smallest whisk.
It is very important that when using the world's smallest whisk, you do so with style. All right, next thing we're going to take a little brown sugar. Boom, that's about 1 cup of brown sugar. Okay, that's mixed in. Last piece, time for a little whiskey. Throw that in, and I don't think that's enough.
Here.
Thank you, Joey. Did you just pull this bourbon out of your pocket?
You don't carry bourbon in your pocket?
And we are going to, why not? And that is our whiskey barbecue sauce. Take a little taste. That is absolutely perfect. You want to cut some onions?
Yeah, let's cut them.
This is your prep today, chef.
That's all right. I will say there's a little bit.
Little tear this time?
Not much, but that might change in a few minutes.
Wait a minute, get over here. Look at, wait, don't try to hide it.
It got me this time. Now we're gonna dice some garlic.
There's nothing like the smell of garlic.
No, I mean, as an Italian, this is what I smell like. And now we're ready to make some meatloaf.
We are starting with an 80-20 blend, ground beef, and then we're going to take our ground pork, and we're going to throw that in there. I'm gonna mix that up.
Also, Greg, you wanna tell them why we're cooking at my house indoors today?
Yeah, we are cooking at Joey's house indoors on the indoor set that we just made up right now because we are in the middle of a tornado watch. There could be a point during this video where we have to go stand under the stairs. And if we do it, you guys are coming with us.
But until then,
we're gonna make some meatloaf. So, take some breadcrumbs. These are seasoned Italian breadcrumbs, just like so. So I like it as a meatball. It's like one giant meatball loaf. So we're gonna take our garlic, and then we're gonna take our 1 red onion. So we're gonna mix our veggies in there like so. All the stuff on the counter right here, we didn't need it.
I can't wait to clean up the kitchen later.
We're gonna take a little bit of salt because you always have to season your meat. Right, Joey?
that's right.
No one likes unseasoned meat. A little bit of pepper. Say when? When. So then we're gonna take one of my favorite seasonings, Kinder's caramelized onion butter. Just a little bit here. Some Italian seasoning.
You're really gonna say Italian? No.
Does that offend you as a card-carrying Italian?
It does.
So we're gonna crack an egg, just like so. Then it is time to mix this all up. So we're mixing all that together. This is that right consistency. All right, this is the secret ingredient. We're gonna take this barbecue sauce and we're gonna put about 4 tablespoons inside our meatloaf. Blend this together. Is it wrong that I love that sound?
No, it's an amazing sound.
I really wish I had a pan to put this on.
Oh, hey,
Look at that
I got
pan.
a pan.
Boom. Then, okay.
That is a loaf.
That is a loaf. All right. What do you think? Is that good?
I think it's great.
I think that's good. It wouldn't be Chef Nate's bacon wrap meatloaf without bacon wraps. So Joey, how about you do something to get over here and wrap some bacon?
Perfect. All right, so now we are gonna do the bacon lattice. Yes.
Call it a lattice.
Perfect. Just alternate here. And we're just gonna crisscross these. So we'll just kind of lay these one on top of the other.
Oh boy.
You can hear my children yelling in the background. All right, so we've got this last one here, and then we're gonna tuck underneath. All right, so now we've got our smoker preheated. We're ready to go. Let's drop this thing in.
Let's do it.
So the boys are really extra, although I am intrigued.
Yeah.
Sounds really good.
It actually sounds really good.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna throw this in the smoker. We set this to 375. Now that it's up to temp, we're gonna throw this thing in for about 30 minutes. So right now, it's just gonna go Betty by. And while we wait, beverage break.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right, so this has been riding for about 30 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and give it a good little slather with that barbecue sauce.
Hey Joey, is it still raining outside?
Yeah, it's definitely still raining outside. This looks real nice. So we'll just give this a little brush, a little slather, you know what I mean? So we're getting this all saucy because when we continue to cook this, all this sauce is gonna caramelize and it's just gonna be absolutely delicious. And I think we are good to keep this going now. So the meatloaf has hit 165 internal, so now it's time to pull it off and slice into it.
Dude, look how that barbecue sauce caramelized on that.
That looks amazing.
All right, now the meat's rested, we are going to slice it up. All right, so this is the fun part here. So, all right, 1, 2, 3.
And nice. See that cross section?
Look at that, that's perfect. All right.
That's a meatloaf.
That's a meatloaf.
Dude, this is gonna be so good.
This is gonna be delicious. All right, to plate this up, we'll take a little bit of barbecue sauce and give it a little fine dining swoop. Then we're gonna take this piece of meatloaf, just like so. Slide that piece just like that. And then just a little drizzle on top just like so. And there you have it. Time to get fancy. All right, so
All right,
I'm
let's
getting this
try
bad one right here.
That is awesome. I hate to say it, that's better than my mom's meatloaf.
The bacon, man. I mean, that just like leveled it up.
Yeah.
Right?
Way to take it up a notch, boys.
Yeah.
Good
well
job.
done.
Hopefully we made Chef Nate proud with his smoked bacon wrapped meatloaf. This was a ton of fun. Do all the things.
Follow us,
Like,
be our friends,
subscribe, smash, you know, all the things.
whatever the kids are saying.
Until next time,
Let's go.
let's go!